Hi everyone, today we're gonna test this budget-friendly Boya mic which I have here. It's very simple and quick to install it. Just enter in the USB-C port if you have a USB-C phone. If not, you should use the Lightning. If you have an older iPhone, just enter it. Now it's connected to the phone, and just press the power button for 2 seconds. Now the light is blue here and also here, and that's it. Hit the camera and use it. Now we're gonna do a short test of the mic on the iPhone, and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. See you. Bye. Hi, this is a test of the Boya mic, and this is how it sounds when the mic is on, connected to the iPhone, which I'm using right now. Now let's disconnect the mic and see the difference. So now I disconnected the mic, so if there is any difference, major difference, let me know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe.